Hi there, welcome to DevAlpha. Our bot to scrap tweets IDs from Twitter is now ready. In this video, I will show you how to use this. You will receive this zip file from me. After extracting it, you need to open this exe file. Once it opened, just click Start button. And don't worry about this window, just minimize it, don't close it please. Okay, it is asking to log in our account. My account is already logged in. I don't need to log in again. I am clicking just OK. Now it is writing here scraping is in progress. So now our tweets has been scraping. You can also count numbers of rows here. I have added some additional columns. This is scrap time. After exporting file, you can see that this time this tweet has this status. Okay, so let's resume it, and our bot will look all tweets for update uploaded by last 15 minutes. Okay, it scraped the data for last 15 minutes. After exporting, it exported automatically our files, and it will now waiting for 10 to 11 minutes, and then it will start again and scrape all the records under 15 minutes. So let me show you the file. The file will be saved in this. This is our time 4:27. Our bot will keep generating files continuously after every 10 minutes. So this is our bot. You can also export files from here. So if you have any questions, let me know, then I will be very happy to assist you. Thank you very much.